Hello my loves, so in today's video I'm going to share with you how to turn your nasty nails into looking gorgeous like you just popped out of the salon, and how to do it all at home. I'm literally going to show you everything from cleaning to filing, shaping, painting, everything you could need. Also, don't forget to comment below what you want to see next, and let's get started. Alright my love, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your nail polish with some acetone or nail polish remover. I will link everything exactly what I use down below. Then you're going to be needing some rubbing alcohol and a disposable toothbrush, and I buy these on Amazon for so cheap. Again, the link to everything will be down below. And you're also going to be needing a nail file. Now, throughout this video you can pick and choose what steps you want to take. I recommend doing all of them to get the best results, but this is just exactly what I do. So first step is to wash your hands. This will remove any excess oil and bacteria that may be sitting on your hands and nails. Now you're going to be taking that disposable toothbrush and some rubbing alcohol to scrub your nails. This takes away any yellowness, any bacteria. It cleans the inside and outsides of your nails, and it prepares them to be painted. This does dry your nails a little bit, but it's worth it. All you need to do is add a little lotion at the end of these steps. Now you just want to wash your hands well with some moisturizing soap, dry them off, and we're good to go. Now you want to find a comfy place because the next step is going to take a while. So for this step, we're going to file, and if you have thin nails or brittle nails that don't have any dip on them like mine, you want to make sure you file them in a single direction like I'm showing you right there. That is a huge nail hack. You don't want to go back and forth if you don't want your nails to break. Now the next step, which is a huge nail hack, is take your file and go vertically up and down. This is what you see them do at the nail salons when you're getting your nails done. And remember, if you have thin nails, you can just go like this in an upwards motion instead. But look at that gorgeous shape it gives you. Also, if you have long nails, it's a great way to shorten them without cutting them shorter, which is known to really make our nails weak and more brittle. Filing your nails is always the way to go. Next is to shape your nails on the side. This gets rid of those really uncomfortably sharp corners, but it also gives you that coffin shape feminine nail that I love so much. So yeah, just do that with all your nails. Though my nails still look gross to me since they're not done, the shape changes everything, and it shows with the right hacks anything is possible. Time to pick out the nail polish, and I have a secret and hack onto why I chose the one I did. Fun fact, this is where I love to paint my nails, but for the sake of this video, we're going to be painting them inside. So the color I chose is a glitter polish from Essie, which I'll link down below, but any glitter polish for that matter is a huge hack because it completely masks and covers any grown out nails, any nails that really need a trip to the nail salon but you just don't have time to do. So nail polish with glitter is the perfect option. It's also super easy to paint glitter nail polish on at home, and on top of that, it lasts so long. Glitter polish almost never chips, especially when I show you how I paint it on there. So unlike other polish, the way you want to put your glitter nail polish on is to start in the middle and then work your way in the left and right corner as well as the tips of the nail. This is going to make your nail polish last and look evenly distributed. And then of course, once you're done with all this, you want to make sure you put a clear coat on top. And that was my video. Don't forget to leave a comment below any nail tips you have or what you want to see next, and hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. Also, check out my website, which I'll have an ebook soon. Love you guys. Mwah.